I've been using the AI sniper from Autosnipe for about 3 months now, so I just wanted to share my overall experience with it and who I think this tool is right for. Let me quickly show you how to set up a sniper and some of the options that you have, and then I'll finish up by telling you my thoughts on it. As always, if you do like what you see and you want to sign up to Autosnipe, you can do so using my link in the pinned comment for 10% off of your trading fees. To create a sniper, you want to go ahead and click Create Sniper. You want to give it a name. Then select your coin platform. You can have either Raydium or Pump.Fun. You can set up your listing type down here on Pump.Fun. This is either new or you can snipe tokens about to migrate. Then you can set up your minimum liquidity here, say if you wanted a minimum of maybe 50 sol liquidity. You can set up the top 10 holding percentage and all of these sniper security checks down here. Continue. That is now your sniper created. You can go ahead and double check all of the settings here. Alright, finally we need to go over and activate the sniper here. So you need to choose your total sol to invest. Maybe if you wanted to invest 10 sol, you would put that in here. Then your buy amount per order, say if you wanted to invest maybe 0.2 per order, you would put that there. You can also set up a stop loss trigger here if you want, or if you don't want, you can just leave it blank. Next you have your priority fees. These are automatically set to AI bullet. You can choose whatever you want, just bear in mind it will affect your trading speed. I would also recommend going and checking out my Autosnipe fees video after this, because a lot of people don't properly take their fees into account and end up losing money on them. Now finally, you've got your exit/sell strategy. Unless you're trading with a huge amount of money, I would recommend getting rid of all of these for a start. And then you can set this up however you like, as long as the percentage to sell adds up to 100. Just for example, if you wanted to sell 50% of your tokens at a 2000% profit, then you could do that. Then if you want, you can set up another one to sell the other 50% at maybe a 5000% profit. Again, I just want to stress these are completely random settings I have chosen here. Please do not copy these settings. I will not be responsible for your loss. It is entirely up to you to choose the settings you think will work best for you. Once you've done that, you just want to click Activate Sniper. You can now double check everything you set up here. You can check on your current sniper holdings in here, as well as your trading history. Obviously, I don't have any yet. Before you try out this tool, let me make it perfectly clear. This isn't some magic bullet which is going to turn inexperienced people into profitable traders overnight. As with any other trading tool though, it does require some level of knowledge about the different parameters that you're using and the nature of meme coin trading. If you come in with a small amount of money expecting to become a millionaire with no knowledge whatsoever, you will probably lose money. The purpose of the AI sniper and what it's designed to do best is to bulk buy a lot of tokens based on the parameters that you've chosen. It relies on the statistical probability of at least some of those tokens doing thousands of % profit to become profitable overall. So if you're just going in with a small amount of money expecting to do maybe 10 or 20 trades and turn a profit, it's probably not going to happen. In my honest opinion, the ideal use case for this bot might not be suitable for a lot of people, since it would require investing in a lot of tokens at once with more capital than most people probably have available. And then, like I said, it relies on only a few of those tokens doing a very high percentage of profit. I think hypothetically, what you would want to do with this tool is start with a large amount of sol to begin with, and then allocate a small percentage of that for each trade, to allow the sniper to continue buying all of the tokens that fit your parameters. And then you'd need to use a high take profit target, probably thousands of %, or potentially you wouldn't set up a take profit target at all and you would just manage your trades manually. Again though, that's a very risky strategy and only really suitable for experienced people with a lot of capital to potentially lose. Just to be clear, I haven't tried that yet myself, and I'm certainly not recommending that anyone else does unless you have the money to potentially burn if it doesn't work. But in my opinion, that would be the most effective way to use this tool. If you are a small investor, it is still possible to use this tool profitably, but you might have to get a bit creative with your strategy. Maybe you want to use more conservative take profit and stop loss targets, but keep in mind the more conservative your take profit target, the higher win rate you would require require to make that profitable. At the end of the day, you are still dealing with meme coins, which are incredibly unpredictable. You might take 20 losses in a row, but then suddenly hit 100x, which puts you in profit overall. That brings me to my last point, also something which is covered on the website now. Although this is an automation tool, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can just set it and forget. As we all know, especially recently, the market conditions can change completely from one day to the next. So really, you should be keeping an eye on the market and actively updating your strategy as you go. If you do want to try out Autosnipe, use my link in the pinned comment for 10% off your trading fees. If you want to level up your trading game, you can check out this next video on the screen right now. I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.